All right, the next thing I didn't know I needed, a laundry backpack. This is super, super helpful. So in my area of living, I live in a women's quad, and so we have what we call our J wash, or where we wash our clothes, over on the other side. So it's not super far away, but I wear a lot of clothes during the week because I am a cheerleader. So I wear practice clothes, and then I have my school clothes, and it just gets to be a lot. And so originally I had a rolling hamper, which didn't work because I had to go outside and I have to go down the stairs, and it was just a lot to take down the stairs, and it eventually broke because I was shoving too many clothes in it. But then I had this other laundry basket that I was carrying down the stairs, and it just is really heavy because, once again, I wear a lot of clothes throughout the week, with my practice clothes and my cheer uniform and my regular clothes, and I'm also in elementary ed, so I have observation clothes, and so that just wasn't working for me. And so this is the TUSK laundry backpack, and it is super, super durable. So it has a strap on the back that you can wear like a backpack, obviously, and then it has lots of room in here, and then it has a tie top that you pull to tighten. It also has a pocket in the front, so for anything that you have, whether it be your laundry detergent, laundry sheets, so that way you don't have to carry lots of things. And they have this in 4 colors. So the rose quartz, or the pink, matches my room, so that's the one that I chose, but they also have black, white, and like a gray or an alloy. So this is super, super nice, and something that I wish I had brought to college with me, but I recommend this for all people who have to walk to get to their laundry stations, even if you have to walk down flights of stairs, because then you don't have to carry anything, and you don't have to adjust and shuffle or set things down to give yourself a break. This just goes on your back, and you can carry it and put stuff in the pocket at the same time. And it's just made my life so much easier.